All right, we have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. It's a setback for Prajwal Revanna. Karnataka High Court has rejected application filed by Prajwal Revanna seeking suspension of life sentence imposed on him and grant of bail in the first rape case registered against him. Let's go across to Neha. Neha, the Karnataka High Court has denied relief to Prajwal Revanna.
Well, that's right. Trouble mounting now for the former JDS, senior leader here, Prajwal Revanna, as the Karnataka High Court today has rejected his bail. Remember, of course, the last time around when those hearings were underway at the time that, he was accused or he was charged of those particular, cases against him as well. He had pleaded with the court. He had, of course, urged that he is still a young politician, that is going to be impacting his political career, that he has a lot of, political brightness future ahead of him. But now, of course, the Karnataka High Court, they're going on to reject this particular bail application. We'll really have to wait and see. Parallel cases that are being heard, at the High Court as well as the Supreme Court too.
All right. So that's the input coming in. Big development. Prajwal Revanna was seeking suspension of life sentence, but the Karnataka High Court has rejected that application filed by convicted former Member of Parliament Prajwal Revanna, who sought suspension of life sentence imposed on him and grant of bail as well. This is in the first rape case registered against him. And the High Court, we're given to understand, has denied relief. The bail request, Neha, has also been rejected.
Well, that's right. Of course, we're seeing that it's only trouble now mounting for the JDS leader here, as, of course, you have the Karnataka High Court here now very categorically saying that there's not going to be any respite for him coming in here. Remember, of course, this dates back to many cases now where he has been charged, where he has been accused of raping women, especially those, of course, who used to work out of the farmhouse of their house. Many women, in fact, of course, had come forward. The case too had strengthened, and now a big setback coming in here for the leader from the court.
All right, Neha, thank you very much for getting us the details. Moving on, we have more breaking inputs on the